Hello everyone, I'm Sachin from New Delhi. I have created this data conscious agent for basically the Kaggle dataset and any type of dataset for the researchers, developers, and the analysts because they spend too much of their time on studying the raw dataset they had. Okay, so this dataset is currently developed on Gemini, which is a Google AI assistant and it used the Kaggle datasets for this project. And also you can upload your personal dataset like the CSV file or the zip file. Okay, so you can see I'm currently using the Kaggle here, and the dataset I'm using is the Titanic. All right, I have downloaded the Titanic here. You can see some of its fields here. Then I have also implemented the AI agent here, so you can directly use your natural prompt and ask about the data set, any question you have, like what columns does it has, or show the missing values, or describe the any column, anything like that. I've also implemented the chart tools here, so you can just directly tell them to draw the chart that you want for your data set, like plot a histogram for age column or for the sex column, anything like that. Then I have also added the ML tools here, whose main purpose is to train a model and list the trained model and predict also. So training and prediction, like here, it is predicted the survival is 0 and the confidence is 89.7% like this. I've also added the in-memory SQL here. Like you can see, show me the first 5 rows of the data set. I've also implemented the automatic report generation. You can generate the report in both HTML format and the PDF format, and it is downloadable. I've also implemented the multi-dataset functionality here, so you can work on different datasets at the same time. I've implemented this code in Streamlit. Okay, the first page. Okay, I have opened the generate report page. You can see here it has generated the report like this. It will add all the charts. It will basically the summary, the report of your whole database. Oh, sorry, data set. Then you can go home. Okay, if you go in the load data set, you can see you can load the data set from either your CSV file or the zip data set. Then you can see I can also switch the data set here, right? Then in the home, you have some of the basic functions like row, column, then quick actions like list all the columns, then show the statistics, basic statistics for them, and check the missing values, right? Then I have also had AI assistant. You can just ask anything like tell me the age column and it will tell about it. I have also implemented the GitHub for it. Thank you.